Hi, let's do question number 10. We are in the paper Feb-March 2022 and paper 3-1 variant is 3-1 of web authoring. Now, this is the third video and third part of this paper, web authoring. We had task 1, 2, and this is the third task, is divided into two parts, and this is the second part of task 3. Okay, create a hyperlink from the text. Click here to open a web page with the URL this. In the sense, we have to connect this website to click here text as a hyperlink, and it has to open in a new browser window. In the sense, when you click on this, it has to open, this website has to open in a new browser window, right? Now let's go. Here is a click here in this paragraph. Can you see that? Yeah, right here. So select, right click, and down there you have hyperlink. We have to select this existing window file web page and come to the address, and we have to copy paste this website address. Always in the exam, follow my trick. Just copy the text wherever they want. Okay, if you sit and keep on typing, it might go wrong and you can spell wrong as well, right? So always follow this. Just copy the names, the links, and the website names as much as possible. Just copy and paste like this, and check. See, I got an extra letter I ordered. I have to delete this one. Okay, this is done. Now one more, that it has to open in a new browser window. For that, you have to select this target frame. Look at this the third one, target frame, and select new window, and here see, automatically it's appearing there blank. So okay here and okay again. Look at this now, it turned to blue and underlined. So when you click on this, it's in a hyperlink, right? So when you click on this, it will open in a new window with that website open. Done. Question number 10 is done. Now 11, attach a style sheet M22 styles to your web page. Okay, now let's do that. Question number 11. Here you have to come to manage styles panel. Look at this here. Attach style sheet and browse. Select here. See, you are in this same folder where you have all the source files. Go there and just select this file, open, then okay. Wow, look at this, it turned to all different colors. Lot of text, the graphics are added here. Look at that, there is a border around it, I guess. Done. Question number 11 is done. Now 12, create a new style sheet. That here we are going to create a new style sheet. What's there already in the folder, we used it. Now let's create a new one by ourselves. Here it will take some time. Okay, we have to understand where to go and which tags and the attributes to select. Let's see here the first review. The table is center aligned within the browser window, one style of the table. all table cells have a padding set to 10 pixels. See, cells. This is for the table, but this is for the cells. So let me wait to highlight it. Now let me see the third one. All table elements is for the table, have the spaces between the borders set to 10 pixels. Okay, this is for the table, the first one and the third one. Now let me see the fourth one. The top margin above the table is set to 173 pixels. This also belongs to table tag. Okay, so the table and the top margin of the table, but here table cells. So when they say cells, we have to go to the tag which is not the table, but we have to go for TD, which applies to the cells. Okay, so the pink color one TD tag we have to use, and this for other three we have to use table tag. Fine. And the fifth one, your name, center number, candidate number, means we have to provide our details. Now let's create a new style sheet. See here, new style sheet. Come here. Save this one more time. Okay, I saved it. Now either you can close it or keep aside over there. Okay, just let it be here. And I am creating a new style sheet. Here, file, CSS, new, and here is the blank style sheet. Okay, now let's see what all. Let's start with the table. First one, center aligned within the browser window. Center aligned. Okay, now for this we have to just click over there and come here. Manage styles, new style panel, new style. In this, on the top we have to type table. Okay, now the table is center aligned within the browser window. Center aligned in the sense, just click on table box. Yeah, here. Center aligned in the sense, just uncheck this. The right and left, we have to add the values. Okay, so here we have to make it auto. Center align is the center of the web page. So right auto and left also auto. Apply. Can you see here the styles are getting added as I choose the styles here from this window. Now let's see the next one. All table elements have the spaces between the borders are set to 10 pixels. Spaces between the borders, sorry, in the sense spaces here versus select table here table border spacing is 10 pixels there, 10, and make sure it's pixels selected. Again, apply. Now more. The top margin above the table is set to 173 pixels. Margin. Okay. Where is the margin? Here in the box there is a margin. Look at this. Top margin here has to be 173 pixels. Can you see there are pixels? Apply. Yeah, see, I got all the table elements over here. Now anything more? Over. Now I have to do this one, the pink one. Oh, I guess it's a purple. Okay, fine. So all table cells have padding set to 10 pixels. Cells, when we work with cells, table cells, we have to select the tag as TD. TD. Fine. Now let's see of it. TD. What I have to go for? cells have the padding set to 10 pixels. Now table cells, the padding, can you see here? And again the box, can you see here? All sides padding is 10. All sides padding is 10 pixels. Can you see that? All 10. Yes. Select. Now apply. Oh, sorry. I have to delete this one. It came over here. Now I have to go back. New style. Sorry, it's already there. I have to go for TD and modify style. Oh, it is actually table style. Sorry. Apply. Look at that. Let's change the table over here. Now I have to go for what? The TD here. TD. Yeah, new style is created. Now I have to just click there, and now I have to edit. See here, select, right click, modify style, come here. Now select box here, padding, can you see there, padding, and here all sides it is padding should be 10. What does it mean padding is 10 in the sense? Means the space around the value inside a single cell. Can you see here? Suppose this is a cell, around 10 there is a space, right? That is called padding. Okay, around this the value in a table cell, the space is called padding. Okay, now apply. Okay, I guess all styles we added. Exactly. Now your name, center number, candidate number are set as a comment at the end of the style sheet. Okay, so how do we add comments in the style sheet? See here, a slash we have to use and a star. Then we can add our details, center number and candidate number, the one you gave in your evidence document, something like that. Okay, now again you have to close with star, then a slash. Save HC. I did not save it yet. I guess they tell us to do something more with that. Yes, we are done with this as well. Make sure that your style sheet contains no HTML or scripting language. Yeah, only there is a style sheet, styles in my style sheet. Save this style sheet in your this folder. Yes, back into our folder in cascading style sheet format as this. Look at that. We have to select the name now. And the format they gave us, we have to save it in the same format. I'm just copying this one, Control C, select, Control C for copy, and I have to add more like center number and candidate number, just like we created the evidence file, right? Evidence document. We had to follow the same thing there. Now let's go back here. Just right click, save, and we have to go to our the folder we are in here, right? Okay, now what's the name? I have to select select name there, underscore, center number. Okay, you can add the sensible one when you get really your center number and candidate number, but for now it's fine. Just I'm adding here something, a fake one. Yes, save. Look at the name of the style sheet. Now this is done. Yeah. Now after this, attach this style sheet to your web page so that it has a higher priority than the one attached in step 11. Yeah, earlier we are given a style sheet and we added that, right? Now we're going to add our style sheet, this one, to the web page. Now let's see. Here, just save one more time, save, and you can just go back to your web page. Now again we have to follow the same how we added earlier, one more style sheet. Let's add this one as well. See, style, attach, browse, the one, see, look at this, just now I created. Okay, wow, it's looking beautiful. Yeah. Now, just I'd like to see this how it is in the web browser. Just save this. Always, any editing you do, always save it. If I'd like to see this in our web browser, just Chrome. Okay, I'd like to go for Chrome. Fine. Look at that. It's beautiful. Yeah, see the spaces between the borders, 10 pixels, right? This is what we set till now, and the table is exactly in the center. Look at that. Now more. Yeah, this is done as well. Take a screenshot to show the file name and all contents of your style sheet and paste this in your evidence document. Make sure the file name and all contents are clearly visible. Now let's do this one. They mean to say that we have to take a screenshot of this, our style sheet. Okay, so I will go for light shot. It's really useful. Okay, so here, including the name, be careful with that. Name should be there. Look at that. Fine. And even I can highlight the name to show this is the name of the file. Okay, now let's copy, and I have to go to my evidence. Always keep open your evidence. Let me just give you one suggestion. Okay, it is really useful. No need to open and it take time to just waste it. And what else we have? Yeah, rest all we have to take the evidences. 3, 4. Now what we are doing is evidence 2. Yeah, this is what we saved in the last session. Now let me go and type in as evidence 2. Okay, now I can just bold it, underline it, like the one above. Okay, let me just paste that what I saved, copy there. This one, you can just format it if you want. Here from here, border you can just add, or else just give a format look. It's coming over here. Yeah, better. Done. Now what else? This is done. See, 8 marks for this, for all this. Question number 12. Now 13, save your web page. Web page we have to save. Just click on save because already we saved it. Since we made changes, updated that, like this one, we have to just always click save, not to lose your updates, take a copy of your HTML code and place this in your evidence document. A copy of your HTML source code. Yeah, we were doing it, remember? See, this one is the design, and you can go here, code. Look at that, how much code is formed behind the scene, behind the curtain. Look at that. Automatically it was just getting added. This is all code, HTML code. This we have to take a screenshot. So here, what you do, just make a copy. Better, because it's a lot of code. See, make sure everything is selected, right click, copy, and here, what is the evidence number? I guess evidence 3. Okay. Done. So when I paste it here, make sure, look at this, make sure you are pasting, right click. When you paste this one, look at that, this indentation is needed. Don't bring it to the same margin. Look at that, this indentation is required in this HTML code. Okay, few started from the margin, beginning of the margin, and look at that, few started within, inside. This indentation is required. Okay, so make sure you got the correct proper paste over there. Perfect. So even you can highlight the stuff you did it in the design. Look at that, I added this mine, so just I can highlight as a, look at this. And what else, I added this as well. Look at that, I added the web page link. Wherever you did, show your hard work off, right? Even this I added see, yeah, I added the pictures here, these two, right? Better you highlight to just easily get the catchy of your hard work. Here, banner, I added the image, right? This one image as well. These are very important in the exam. These are exam tips. See, I added the video over here. Look at this, these two till here. Okay, and here is another one, the hyper link, this href, hyperlink reference we call it. And what else? Yeah, the name, if you want, you can, this one, CSS. Done. Perfect. This is the evidence 3 for me. Display your web page in a browser. If necessary, resize it so that all the page can be seen, all text can be easily read, the address bar is visible. Okay, we are going to do this one now. I'm done with this. And then you have to take a screenshot and put it in the evidence as evidence 4. Okay, now let's do that. It's the last part of it. I have it already in my browser. This one, just refresh once, and let me just save it one more time from here. Save it so that you can have the effect of it, of the changes. And so if you want all the data to be displayed, of this web page to be seen, what we have to do, just we have to reset or resize the web page. Like that, you can just decrease the zoom. Just zoom out. You can try. Sorry. You can try like this. Can you see that? Yeah. Now it's within the page. I have to take the screenshot of this. Okay. The whole page I'll select like this. Okay. Just adjust your crop. Now, just if I want to highlight the name, this is my the title of the web page. Okay, now I can just copy this, go to evidence, go to the last. Here we are going to the next page, I guess. That's better. And this one is which one? Evidence for and underline, and here I will paste it. Yeah, you can just format it something like this. Okay. More. Yeah, we are done. Perfect. Everything is done. Look at that. So this is our final web page and its look in the web page. Yeah.